How to make money using Google Maps in 2025. Did you know you can use Google Maps to find hidden money-making opportunities around you? In this video, I'll show you exactly how people are using Google Maps to earn real income without needing any special skills or investment. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more video like this. Let's dive in. 1. Local SEO services for small businesses. Use Google Maps to find local businesses with poor listings, missing photos, reviews, or descriptions. Offer to improve their Google business profile, add keywords, optimize descriptions, upload professional images, etc. How you make money: charge $50 to $500 per listing optimization. Offer monthly maintenance packages. Tools you can use: Google Maps, Canva for photo posts, ChatGPT for optimized descriptions, Google My Business dashboard. 2. Lead generation. Use maps to search for business types, example plumbers, salons, dentists, in different cities. Compile names, addresses, phone numbers, and websites into a lead list. How you make money: sell the leads to marketing agencies or use them in cold email outreach for your own services. 3. Virtual tour photography. Approach businesses that don't have interior photos or 360-degree views on maps. Offer to take and upload virtual tours to enhance their listing. How you make money: charge $100 to $500 per session. Partner with realtors, hotels, or restaurants. 4. Affiliate marketing with local businesses. Partner with local businesses to promote their services via blog posts or YouTube videos. Use maps to find unique spots, cafes, gyms, tour operators, etc. How you make money: get paid per lead, booking, or referral. Create review content, local guides, or Google review promotions. 5. Data scraping for research. Ethically, use Google Maps to gather data for researchers, consultants, or marketers. Compile databases of locations, example hospitals, co-working spaces, fast food chains. How you make money: sell the data sets. Offer it as a research service on Fiverr or Upwork. Warning: be ethical. Don't spam or misuse contact data. Ready to turn Google Maps into your side hustle? Start with your local area, pick a niche, and test one of these methods today. If you want more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe, like, comment and share this video.